Listen to that. That is the sound of a razor-sharp steel edge slicing through thousands of microscopic cellulose tubes. Cellulose is the fibrous structural tissue that gives wood its strength and rigidity. In a modern factory, this precise physical action is drowned out by the scream of routers and the whine of heavy machinery ripping through boards at thousands of RPMs. Traditional hand tool woodworking requires a different approach. It relies on a quiet, tactile conversation between the craftsman's muscles and the grain of the tree. Choosing to work this way today is a deliberate rejection of industrial speed. It trades manufacturing efficiency for a deep physical understanding of the material. You can't force a board with a hand plane. To shape it successfully, you have to read the direction of the fibers and respect the laws of the wood itself. These quiet techniques built the modern world. Long before electricity, these specific tools formed the literal scaffolding of human expansion. Ancient engineers and shipwrights constructed massive, world-spanning fleets and infrastructure using nothing but human muscle, iron, and timber. The knowledge required to build on this scale was incredibly valuable. In Europe, powerful craft guilds formed to strictly control and protect these trade secrets from outsiders. Instead of an assembly line, this expertise survived through intense, multi-year apprenticeships, where masters passed their techniques directly to the next generation. Eventually, this direct mentorship evolved into structured trade schools, where entire classrooms of young artisans learned the exact angles and pressures needed to shape furniture. The tools they used, like the backsaw, the chisel, and the block plane, remain largely unchanged today compared to their historical counterparts. Their designs reached a state of ergonomic harmony, acting as direct extensions of the human arm and shoulder. The history of these tools is a record of human design aligning with the rigid constraints of the natural world. But that material is far from static. Even after a tree is cut and dried, the wood continues to act like a living entity. In these cellular fibers, wood constantly expands and contracts, absorbing and releasing seasonal moisture. To manage this, traditional makers use mechanical solutions like the dovetail. Its flaring, interlocking pins physically lock boards together while allowing the fibers to safely swell across their width. Pinning those boards with steel screws or rigid glues will eventually force the wood to split. Managing this tension requires a woodworker to read the direction of the grain, ensuring their blade glides smoothly down the fibers instead of digging in and tearing them. Working wood by hand requires a structural compromise with a restless, living organism. Back in the quiet of the shop, you can hear this negotiation taking place. Without a screaming motor, the plane's hiss tells you instantly if your blade is cutting cleanly. There is also a tactile feedback loop. Tiny vibrations travel directly up the tool handle, warning the maker the second the blade hits a dense patch of grain or a hidden knot. This sensory focus creates a meditative flow state. It provides a physical antidote to the constant digital noise and mental fatigue of daily life. This precision ultimately produces a visual phenomenon called chatoyance. Chatoyance is a three-dimensional optical shimmer, similar to a cat's eye, that only appears when wood fibers are cleanly sliced by a razor-sharp edge. You cannot get this effect with power sanders. Abrasive sandpaper tears and crushes the wood fibers, leaving a dull surface that traps dust and blocks light. But when you apply a natural finish to a hand-planed board, the results are immediate. As the oil hits the wood, the grain instantly pops from a flat gray to a rich, glowing gold. A moment of wonder. Traditional woodworking preserves a timeless, unhurried pursuit of beauty, maintaining a connection to the material that lasts long after the project is finished.